So, in the Find and Replace tool, you can search by pin number, pin name, or just any regular text. Now, when we talk about name here, it also means net port names or file name. They are basically treated as the same. You can also choose where to search project, that's your entire project, board only inside the PCB area, current page. If you have got multiple sheets, you can pick just one to search in. Right now, I've got current schematic selected. Let's say I've got 4 net ports and I want to rename all of them. Just remember, file names and net port names are linked. So if you change one, the other changes too. In the name field, you'll see whatever matches the search. If I want everything that starts with net, I'll turn on blue and hit Find All. Down at the bottom, it will tell me how many it found, like here, it says 8. Even if something's hidden on the sheet, it will still show up in the result. So say I want all 8 nets to be called ABC. I can do this in 2 ways. Replace everything, just make them all ABC. Keep the numbers, change only the prefix. So net 1 and net 2 become ABC1 and ABC2. If you want the second option, you will need wildcards. Wildcards let you use hash or question mark as placeholders. For example, in the search box, use star for the part you want to keep, like the number. In the replace box, tap ABC hash. The hash means it will keep the original number. One important thing, make sure you tick the use wildcard box or it won't work. Once that's set, then hit replace all. And that's it. All your net prefixes become ABC, and the numbers stay just like before.